Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9 Standard Subject English.
Dear students, hope you fine. Today I am going to discuss answers to the questions in lesson 3. Roman letter 1. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Answer. Kezia was afraid of her father because of his rude and harsh behavior. He never interacted with her politely or humbly. He always kept ordering her to do one thing or the other. Second one, who were the people in Kezia's family? Answer, Kezia's family had her grandmother, mother and father. Third question, what was Kezia's father's routine? Roman letter 1, before going to his office. Roman letter 2, after coming back from his office. Roman letter 3, on Sundays. Answer, Roman letter 1, he used to kiss Kezia casually before going to his office. Roman letter 2, he would ask for the newspaper and tea after coming back from his office. Third Roman letter, on Sundays, he would take rest. He would enjoy sound sleep on the sofa. Question number 4. In what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Answer. Kezia's grandmother sent her to her father's room to have a nice talk with him. Besides, she asked her to make a gift of a pincushion on her father's birthday. Long answer questions. First one, Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Answer, Kezia used to be afraid of her father because he talked to her harshly. One day, her grandmother told her to make a pincushion to gift him on his birthday. Kezia took it an opportunity to please him. So, she stitched cotton cloth 3 sides and looked for the things that could be stuffed into it. Soon, she found out many sheets of paper. Actually, they contained her father's speech for the Port Authority. She tore them into pieces and stuffed her case. When her father looked for the papers, he did not find them. He came to know that Kezia had torn them. He got infuriated and beat her. Second question. Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. McDonald and how was he different from Kezia's father? Answer. In Kezia's opinion, her father was very harsh. He did not talk to her affectionately, but rather he used to speak to her stringently. So she avoided him. She did not want to be in front of him because she was afraid of him. Moreover, her father never spent time with her. McDonald family lived next door to her house. One evening, she saw him playing with his children. A baby was on his shoulders and 2 little girls were hanging on to his coat pockets. They were laughing. Also, she saw some boys turn the hose on McDonald and he tried to catch them laughing all the time. She found them feel friendly with their father. So, she wished if her father were like them. Question number 3. How does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? Answer. One night, Kezia had a nightmare which made her too terrified. She was crying out of fear. When she woke up, she found her father beside her bed with a candle in his hand. He asked her what the matter was. When he came to know about her nightmare, he blew out the candle, bent down and caught up the child in his arms. He carried her to the big bedroom. He laid her on the bed and pulled the covers up around her. Apart from this, he lay down beside her. After some time, still half asleep, she crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm, and held tightly to his shirt. Now she felt comfortable. Her father told her to rub her feet against his legs and get them warm. Now, Kezia realized that her father was not as harsh as she thought. She realized that her father had to work all day long and got so tired that he could not play with her. She realized that her father wanted her to understand his compulsion. That's all for today, students. All of you write these answers in your classwork notebook. Thank you very much.